Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you quick and easy recipe. It's going to be Aloo Katli recipe. This is so easy to make. It's super tasty and super delicious. If kids are not used to eating potatoes, aloo, then you should try this recipe and I'm sure the kids going to love it. I'm going to use potatoes. This is good size of potatoes. In typical Punjabi, we call it aloo. I'm going to use 4 of these. I'm going to use 1 onion. Then I'm going to use the spices from my spice rack. Please check the description below for the ingredient list. 1 cup water. Then I'm going to use diced tomatoes. Then I'm going to use the green chili, ginger and garlic. How much I'm going to use it, please check the description below. And let's get started. Onion cut into long thin slices. The aloo, I peel the skin. I cut it into small thin slices. And I put it inside the water so it won't discolor. Diced tomato, I took it out of the can. And let's start tadka. Get a fry pan. And I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep the gas on the high. I'm going to bring olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. I'm going to bring cumin seed, like 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon mustard seed. I'll bring garlic, like 1 tablespoon. Ginger, 1 tablespoon. We're going to mix it. Cook the garlic so there will be no more garlicky flavor. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well. So keep moving, cook it until they are nicely translucent. Cooking our onion with the ginger garlic for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent. Now I'm going to bring green chili. And this is 2 big serrano chilies. Chili you always can adjust according to your taste. If you like it hot, then add more. If you like it mild, then add less. So we're going to cook along with our onion for 1 minute. Cooking our green chili with onion for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring diced tomatoes. And mix it well. And we're still cooking on high gas. Cooking our diced tomato for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the spices. Bring our gas to medium. 1 teaspoon salt. Salt is always according to taste. If you eat more than add more. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. We're going to mix it well. Once all the masala is nicely incorporated with our tadka, I'm going to cover with the lid. We're going to cook for 2 minutes. On medium flame, cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid. I'm going to turn the fan on and I'm going to open it. Mix it well. Diced tomatoes, they get more tender. And now we're going to bring our potato katli, aloo katli. And now we're going to mix it well. I'm going to bring the temperature to high again. Cooking for 2 minutes with the open lid. Now I'm going to bring 1 cup water. Cover with the lid with the high gas. Cook it for 5 minutes. On a high flame, cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid. I'm going to open it. I'll start my fan. Mix it. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring gas to medium low, which is number 3. And I will bring 1 teaspoon garam masala. 2 teaspoons dry cilantro, which is dhania. Mix it well. Once our garam masala and cilantro is nicely incorporated, spread it evenly. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it, then we're going to stir it once. On a low medium gas cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid and I'm going to stir it once. Wow, they're looking really nice. And if we look at our aloo, yeah, it's nicely cooking. Another 5 minutes, this will be well cooked. This recipe is super easy and it's super delicious. I'm going to cover with the lid again and we'll cook it additional 5 minutes on medium low gas, number 3. Altogether 10 minutes. And now I'm going to start the fan again and we're going to open it. Our aloo katli, the potato katli, is all done. If I break it, this one nicely baked. All the katli, aloo is fully cooked. I'm going to cover with the lid and I'm going to turn off the gas. And we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to dish out our aloo katli or potato katli. We turned off the gas and we let it sit for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Oh, look at this. And I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to dish out. I'm going to get my serving bowl. You can serve this one with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, tortilla, and best of all, these are suitable with puri and paranthas. Our quick and easy aloo katli or potato katli is all ready. As I said, this is so easy to make and it's super delicious. Please try it, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.